Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix games not using the graphics card in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it. Now you just need to open the game launcher to navigate the file location. For example, I'm gonna use in a Steam launcher. Just right click on the game and select manage and select browse local files. Navigate to the game's exe file, just find it. After that, just copy the file path, just like this. After that, just close stuff here. Go back to graphics settings and select browse. Paste the file path we copied and press enter. Select the game exe file and select add. In my case, I already added the game. After adding the game, you just need to select options and select high performance and select save and just close stuff here. And that's how you can fix games not using the graphics card problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.